Yeah, yo, Moonlala. Come make a shirt with me. My tia sent me a message asking me to make the shirt for her. Apparently, she had a client that was not giving her coins. She asked me to make the shirt for her, so I used a puffy type of vinyl for this one just to add some razzle dazzle. Here you can see I'm on the left hand side, but it just seemed better on the right, so you can see I'm busy ironing it on. Yes, slow mo. Okay, you see that puff puff. Guys, please don't be that person that someone needs to go and make a shirt so that you could pay them. Not in Big 2024. Let's not do that, okay?